everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So Easter in Australia is fast approaching and I'm so excited. All like the things are just so much more exciting when you have a child of your own. So we've done the first Christmas, that was the absolute best, and now we have the first Easter. So super exciting, and I wanted to share with you some ideas in case you were looking for ideas for babies that cannot eat chocolate yet, of what to get them for Easter that's a little bit special, maybe things that you haven't thought of as yet, and also show you what I will be giving my baby for Easter as well. So with any Easter present, we have to start with an Easter basket. Why is it so hard? I am such a super indecisive person, but I felt so much pressure. Also, my baby is just here in a bouncer, so if you hear noises, that is what that is. I felt so much pressure because I wanted to pick a basket that would last him for years and years and years to come. So when he's like walking, he'll be carrying this and doing like a little Easter egg hunt and things like that, which I thought was so cute. So I actually looked for quite a while for the perfect basket, what I thought was the perfect basket. So I went with this one. So this is from Adair's Kids. The product code, in case you are looking for this, because it has just come out and I had to grab it because I thought the longer I leave it, these are gonna sell out. So they do come in pink and blue. So the product code is 55186. It's called the Bunny Basket 2023 in the blue bunny, and these retail for 25 Australian dollars. So I'm actually gonna look at having his name possibly embroidered there. I don't know if they can, but this is all embroidered on, so possibly. But ideas for Easter. So obviously a great thing to start with is toys. Kids love toys. So things like these books. My son is obsessed with these type of books, like all the different textures and squeakers and things like that. So stuff like that, or also things more like this as well, like pram type toys. So definitely stuff like this, or even this. I find anything that makes noise, he's so into, and he's so into squeakers. He's looking at this like, I've never seen that before. So things like that are 100% super into. Something like this. Now he has just been changed to the seat in his pram, so this will be going across that like belly bar to keep him amused. Again, he's so excited. But anything that makes noise, so into, and a bit of like patterns, unfortunately for me, because I'm very basic, things like that. Rattles, so stuff like this. Of course, easy to hold and make noise, they love. Teethers. My son is starting to really get into things he can chew. So anything along the lines like this that's easy to hold and easy to get in their mouth, love it. Now getting onto some more, I don't know what you would call it. I don't know, things for later in, you know, their development, maybe is how you would say that. Something like this. How cute is this? This is a tooth fairy. So it has the little wings on the back. When they lose a tooth, you put it in the little pocket at the back, and then the tooth fairy will come and replace it with a little coin. I think this is so cute. I got this from Kmart a while ago, but I'm sure there's different things that are similar to this. Obviously it's in the shape of a tooth, and yeah, I just had to pick that up because super cute. Things like, so like bath books or books, obviously kids absolutely love. Another one, Peter Rabbit for Easter is obviously goes hand in hand, so something from the Peter Rabbit line makes sense. A bunny. This is the bunny that I will be gifting my son. It's a jelly cat, so that was so special for me to be able to purchase his first jelly cat, so I cannot wait for him to have this, even though he's looking at all of this right now. Or another idea is clothes. So like cute things like little bodysuits like this. Again, I know I don't have a girl, but this is for a gift. So just really cute basics. Or if you wanted to purchase some things that are a little bit more special, like Country Road. These shirts are obviously super in at the moment. Country Road and Seed. I see so many kids wearing these brands, so like that. Or if you're in colder climates, obviously the jumpers, that's a little Seed jumper. But yeah, dressing kids these days, it's like wild. So wild. Like people are so into fashion with these little kids. Or you can go with like a little dressing gown if you're in a colder climate. I can't talk. This has got little bunny ears, so super fitting for Easter. This is just from Target in Australia. Super, super cute. So what I will be giving my son for Easter this year, I will show you. So obviously he has his basket. He will be getting one of the Peter Rabbit little books like that. He's also getting this pram toy that he picked out. He will also be getting this because he's so into this. A bath book. So that apparently changes color when it's in the bath. So that as well. And of course the Jelly Cat bunny, which again, I'm so emotional about a bunny. So that is his 2023 and my first time creating an Easter basket for our baby. I'm so excited. I hope you got some helpful ideas from this. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I will see you in my next video very, very soon. Thanks again. Bye.